Oh ham, I'm going to die.
No.
It's so sad.
Why are going to die?
I'm going to be sipped.
No, this can happen.
Buy burger, buy forver.
Go.
I'm sorry, this lady just is going to pay for a happy meal and she has a fat boyfriend.
Then buy because I'm going to die to wah wah wah.